I am Neil Simon A. Salinas of Grade 8 Tagapanguna will explain and describe the different nail diseases and disorders. Una kong i-explain ay ang mga nail diseases. At ang unang halimbawa ay onychia. Ito yung pamamaga ng nail matrix kaya nagkakaroon ng nana dahil sa improperly sanitized nail implement and bacterial infectional. Ang treatment dito ay panatilihing maayos lagi ang mga kuko at gumamit ng maayos na sanitized implement. Next is onychocryptosis or ingrown nails. In this condition, nail grows into the sides of the flesh and may cause infection. Improper trimming and shaping of nails are often responsible for ingrown nails. Para maiwasan ito, gupitin palagi ng maayos ang kuko at magsuot ng komportabling sapatos. Pangatlo, onychogryposis. Isang kondisyon kung saan ang mga kuko ay sobrang kapal, kumukurbang pataas o pababa o minsan ay lumalampas sa dulo ng daliri o paa. Maaari itong magdulot ng sakit at mamamaga. Pwede itong maiwasan kung gugupitin palagi ang kuko at iiwasan ng masisikip na sapatos. Fourth, onycholysis. A loosening of the nail is caused by internal disorders, infection, or drug treatment. Panatiling maiksi ang kuko at iwasan ang nail polish. Fifth, onychomycosis. Kilala rin ito bilang tinea or guim or ringworm of the nails. It is an infectious disease caused by a fungus that commonly appears in whitish patches that can be escaped off from the surface. Keep the nail dry and clean and use antifungal foot spray para maiwasan ito. 6. Onychoptosis. A shedding of one or more nails, either in whole or in a part. It can occur during or after certain diseases of the body. Magsuot palagi ng komportabling sapatos at panatilihing tuyo palagi ang kuko para maiwasan. And last, paronychia. Ito ay ang pamamaga ng balat around the nail dahil sa bacteria. The symptoms are redness, swelling, and tenderness of the tissue sa paligid ng kuko. Para maiwasan ito, always keep the hands and feet dry and clean. Ngayon naman, ay i-explain ko ang different nail disorders. Una, bluish nails. The nail appear blue in color which reveals that the body is not getting enough oxygen. It is recommended to see a doctor and have check-up. Baka kasi may sakit na. Next, bruised nails. The result of trauma to the nail plate. This causes injury to the nail. Blood becomes trapped under the nails. Huwag lagyan ng pressure ang nail plate para maiwasan ito. Third, corrugations. Wavy ridges are caused by uneven growth of the nails, usually the result of illness or injury. Recommended to buff the nail carefully to help remove the ridges. Fourth, hangnails. Loose skin separate from the cuticle. This caused by dry cuticles and environmental. This may be trimmed with cuticles nipper, moisturize, and apply cuticle oil. Next, koilonychia or spoon nails. Nails with a concave shape are usually caused by iron deficiency. File nails carefully with no pressure is the best treatment. Next, leukonychia. A condition in white spots appear on the nails but do not indicate disease, and as the nail grow, these white spots eventually disappear. Taking zinc in the foods, kusang mawawala mga white spot. Onychorhexis or brittle nail. Caused by injury to the finger, improper filing, or exposure to harsh chemicals. Recommended na palambutin muna ang kuko bago gupitin at lagyan ng oil. The next, onychausis. An overgrowth of the nail, usually in thickness rather than length, caused by a local infections and can also be hereditary. File the nail smooth and buff with pumice powder. Onychotropia. Atrophy or wasting away of the nail plate causes it to lose its luster, become smaller, and sometimes shed entirely. File the nail smooth and protect your hands from chemical. Next, onychophagy or biting nails caused by nervous habit and stress related. It is recommended that the client frequent manicures at wag sanayang kagatin ng kuko. And last, pterygium. This result in the loss of the nail plate due to the development of scar tissue. Wag na wag aalisin ang pterygium at mas mabuting magpakonsulta tayo sa doktor. Thank you for listening.